You're losing money every day and don't even know it. Most financial advice is garbage, too slow and impossible to follow. Today, we cut the fluff. I'm giving you 3 ways to slash expenses instantly. No sacrifices, just smart math. Fix this now, or your future self pays the price. Ready? Let's go. Number 1 is costing you hundreds right now without a single notification. It's the subscription trap. We sign up, we forget, and banks win. Audit your statement right now. Not used in 30 days? Kill it. That gym membership? Gone. That app? Deleted. This is pure profit. This saves the average person $200 a month. That's $2,400 a year for 5 minutes of work. But that's just the warm-up. This next one is hiding in your kitchen. Number 2, food logistics. Stop paying for convenience you don't need. Convenience is a tax. Delivery fees are a tax on the disorganized. A $10 meal becomes $25 in 2 clicks. Stop it. Plan your week, buy in bulk, reclaim that 40% margin the delivery giants are stealing. Now, before the biggest expense, the one that changes your life, let's talk ghost bills. These are recurring costs you think are fixed, but they're negotiable. Most are just too scared to ask. Point 3, the power of the call. Your internet, insurance, and phone bill are all negotiable. Ask. Mention a competitor. Watch them find a special promotion to keep you. 10 minutes can save you $50 a month. It's free money. If you aren't asking, you're donating it to a corporation. Stop donating. Cutting costs isn't about being cheap, it's about efficiency. Here's the secret to making it permanent. Automation. If you have to think about saving, you've already lost. Set the systems once, grow while you sleep. Imagine a year from now, thousands extra in your account, same lifestyle, that's the power. Wealthy people keep more than they spend. Don't let your hard-earned cash leak away. Start now. If this helped, subscribe. We're building a community of winners. See you in the next one. The system is designed to keep you spending. We're here to help you keep winning. Change your psychology, change your bank account. It starts with one small cut today. Choose one. I challenge you, cancel one subscription right now. Comment done below. Let's see those wins. This is about freedom. The freedom to say no to the rat race and yes to your future. Financial independence is just a series of calculated decisions. You just made 3. Keep your eyes open, your expenses low, and your goals high. I'm out.